Hello, I'm James Aldridge. I'm an artist working with Wessex Archaeology on the Ebb Flow project. So as part of the Festival of Archaeology, we're looking at how you can use art and archaeology to explore your local river. And we've got a few ideas to share with you today. Okay, so one idea we think you might like to try is to make your own map or concertina sketchbook. So this is a kind of sketchbook that opens out into a long map, so you can record a walk along the length of your own local river. And I'm going to show you how to make one of these, or give you some ideas of how you might like to make it. So we need a couple of pieces of card for the covers, which are going to go at each end of the sketchbook. And then we need some paper in the middle, and you can use whatever paper you have to hand. This is just simple white drawing paper. And what I did was to take the paper, make sure it's roughly the size of the card, and then to glue a few pieces end to end. So we're putting a piece of glue on the end of each piece of paper and making one long strip. And then we're folding the strip up so that they fit the same shape as the card covers. Okay, so just to show you how we're joining the card covers and the pages together, I've got a glue stick and we're going to add some glue onto the inside cover of the front of the book. And we're going to put half of this piece of paper onto there and press it down nice and strongly so it's nice and secure. And then on the next page you're just going to glue the very edges together so you've got enough of a join to keep it nice and strong. Just got a bit of glue along the edge. Line that up. And if you keep doing that, however long you want your book to be, and then what you'll end up with is a fold-up book. So we're going to fold those like that. Fold it again. And then obviously you'll do the same with the other piece of card at the other end, and you'll end up with a fold-out sketchbook. So what I did with my fold-out sketchbook and my map was to walk along the River Avon near Salisbury, and to use different ways of recording the river there. So I've collected different bits and pieces that I found that told me about the river and the plants that grew there. I've actually rubbed on some of the soil to look at the different colours in the earth, or rubbed on maybe some of the grass or something. And I've also written to show people what I heard or what I saw or how I felt when I was next to the river. I've also got some rubbings on here as well. So I've put a leaf underneath and I've rubbed with the crayon on the top to get the pattern. Or as we walked into the town, I've started to do the same thing with different signs. You can see this one says riverside, bridge, and so on. And together with some drawing, that all starts to come together to record my journey, my walk along the river. So when you've got your own sketchbook ready to go, why don't you take a walk along your own local river, see what you can find, see how you feel, and record that in your sketchbook. Then you'll have a record of your own journey, and maybe you can share some of the photos about with us.